Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we learn to create our doors in Revit using families. Now, before I jump to creating doors, I would like to improve the view here. So right now it is set to shaded. So simply change the graphic display options to hidden line to see your view better. And we also have this symbol here right in the middle, which indicates the span direction. So you can select the symbol and click on delete. Doesn't really matter. It's a 2D symbol, so we can simply delete it. But make sure you do not accidentally delete the floor slab or any of the walls because these are 3D elements and they play a big role in your BIM model. All right, so with that out of the way, it's time to create our door family in Revit. So to create a door family, we need to use a template. And to use a template, go to File. Do not click on New, rather hover on New so that these options show up. And from these options, click on Family. And then we will need to select the right template to create our doors. So if you scroll down, you will notice that we have a template to create doors, and that is the metric door template. In case you're more familiar with metric, if you want to use the imperial template, you can go to Family Templates. And in this list, you can select the English Imperial folder. In this folder, you will find the door template and you can use this template as well. This is if you're more familiar with feet and inches. Let's head back to our regular English metric family list. Now from this list, we'll need to select the right template for our family. And in our case, it would be the metric door template. So let's select this template and click on open since we're creating doors. Perfect. I'm going to close our project for now. Reopen it once we're done creating our family.